In this video, we will see what is char function and how and when we can use this. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Char function in Microsoft Excel returns a character when a valid character code is passed. There are some characters which are difficult to include in formulas, and at such places char functions comes very handy. I have prepared an example where I have address in 4 different cells, that is from cell B1 till cell B4. Our objective here is to merge complete address in one cell, retaining the line breaks. To do this, in cell B6, type equal to B1 ampersand char open bracket 13 if you are using Mac and 10 if you are using Windows. I will use 10 since I am working on Windows. Close bracket ampersand B2 and hit enter. Make sure wrap text is on for the cell B6, otherwise you will not see the line breaks. Now you can see that we have successfully entered 2 lines of address in one cell with one line break. This wouldn't have been possible in absence of char function. Further modify the formula of B6 as I am doing along with you to add remaining 2 lines of address in the same cell with line breaks. Character code 13 stands for carriage written and 10 stands for line break. There is a complete list of these ASCII codes. You can pause this video and go through the list to understand which code will result in which character. Char function also comes handy when used in combination with other functions, but that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.